2 years ago.
That's cool. Yeah, Portland is cool. You know, I haven't been making it there, but, you know, I heard they have a different kind of sun, which is cool.
Kind of what?
A different kind of sun and heat texture.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm always willing to wonder about checking out Portland. Did you like it there?
I did. I lived there for almost 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah. I mean,
that's a good amount of time.
Yeah, I could still be living over there, but I was living downtown and I just got tired of all the bullshit that was happening.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I'm sure they're into dolls and action figures, especially action figures. You know, I'm trying to, I'm into being on an action figure. You know, I make music, but I've done other things. You know, so I'm aspiring actor and stuff. So you know, action figures are cool. I could always see myself in an action figure. If, we could all make a deal, Seattle, Montana, and Portland. That'd be cool. That'd be ice cool.
Yeah, it would be great. You know.
Yeah. I like the propane. I saw some propane here and everything, so that's cool.
That's some propane.
Propane's cool. Yeah, I've been seeing propane. The mountains are cool. You know, I like them. You know, I like the snow. The snow is cool.
Yeah, those ones are the Bridgers. There's a ski resort over on that mountain.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's on the other side. Summertime, it's beautiful here.
I think so.
Yeah. Well, you didn't really get out of Belgrade at all. You much traveling, did you?
No, I went to like a Chinese restaurant. I went to the mini mart, and
all right.
You know, other than that, I just walked around. You know, I saw the park. It was just about searching for things, you know?
Yep.
Yeah.
I do. Did you go to Hong Kong City?
No, I didn't go to Hong Kong City. I saw the train out here, man. The train should, have you been on the train?
Yeah, I've been on a train. This that goes through here, though, on the southern part of Montana, that's just for industrial. It doesn't have any commercial. So you have to go 5 miles north to catch, like, the closest Amtrak.
All right. Oh, so where does that one go, that train?
You could take that all the way from the Oregon coast, from Seattle all the way over to New York. It goes.
They have a train here that goes to New York?
Like, it passes through, but yeah.
That's intriguing. How long does it take?
Oh,
a while?
I mean, it takes 2 days to get from here to Portland or Seattle.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, I've been trying to find a train like that emulates like a Korea where it goes faster, and then they have lower landmines. They don't see anything.
No, they
you
don't.
know, so they can't create as much.
Yeah,
they have a whole bunch of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
You just create a whole bunch of things. They have certain versions.
Yeah. Virgin Mobile's gonna open up like a speed rail or something like what you're talking about down in Florida.
Oh, Virgin Mobile?
Mm-hmm.
I tried to get no Virgin Mobile, but they said that Virgin Mobile was kind of out of business in Seattle. It's business here.
I mean, it's just a prepaid service.
Yeah, I don't know.
Virgin Mobile.
No, well, I'll look into it. Virgin Mobile was kind of cool in its day.
Yeah, he's one of the guys that are part of like the space program for the commercial.
Yeah.
This airport takes.
Yeah, the airport.
You'll be waiting. I mean, it'll take maybe 20 minutes at most. Did you already do your like express check-in for flights and stuff?
No, I haven't yet, but I will. I'm gonna be here till like 1, so you know, I'll just be walking around doing my thing, you know.
Hell yeah. Yeah, they got a couple good restaurants in there.
Yeah, restaurants are cool. I'm gonna check something out, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, hopefully there's something cool, you know. You know, I'm liking the snow, you know. Hopefully the snow goes around, and I'm liking the close clouds. I'm like the sceneries, you know.
Yeah. What'd you think about the flight when you were flying over the Rocky Mountains?
I actually enjoy it. I like the sightseeing and the sceneries and playing Pokemon on my phone. So it was cool. Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't played Pokemon for a hot minute, but
yeah, man, I'm trying to get the purple version out with Haunter on the cover. So you know, me like as Ash Ketchum, I think that'd be cool. You know, vibrations and sceneries, you know, and colors and being able to do shrooms and stuff. That'd be cool, but it's nice talking to you.
Hell yeah. It was nice, man.
All right, man. I'm gonna get my bags. All right, man. Nice seeing you. Seeing you. All right, man. I'll see you later, man. Rock on, man. Yeah. That cool view, man. Cool view. Wonder who Hank Hill is. Thinking about propane, you know, / JBL. How many missions we gonna go to till we fill a fulfillment to, I don't know, escalate through the joint and never come back, you know? Got my upgrade on carpet. Been training for a while. Maybe they can upgrade my carpet even more, you know? Trying to move to Des Moines or in certain ways, you know? There's other places too. There we go. Here's low. Hey, how's it going, y'all? Hey. Here, in business. Great, Gatorade. Is it in you? Shall we dance? Hey.